Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday, the 6th of May, 2020. It is 5:01 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour charts on the high probability charts. The new candle was 1 hour and 1 minute ago. There was a bit of work to do. It's taken me a while to update the spreadsheets, prepare the charts, etc. for you. Also, I'm doing this on my normal trade recording software, as I've been banned for 24 hours by TradingView for breaching one of their rules, which I'll have to work out which one it was because I don't exactly tell you. Apparently I've done something wrong, but anyway, let's move on. This is my watch list on the right, all the 12-hour charts I'm trading. The ones highlighted in orange are the ones I'm going to talk about. The ones without a highlight, no trades on, and the ones in blue, trades on. So it's a busy watch list. We'll start with the Oz Swiss. This is the Oz Swiss. I suggest you probably pause the video or slow the video down, read my notes. I have sequences, various sequences of trades, sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3. They're normally broken up here in groups so you can read them. Buys are always designated by blue vertical lines and blue horizontal lines. Sells are red. There could be 1, 2, 3, even 4 trades on the one candle, depending on what sequence I'm dealing with. Yellow dashed lines are normally an overall break-even level. Red dotted lines are a stop loss for something. Red trend lines for bearish divergence. Green trend lines for bullish divergence. This indicator down here is the MACD Platinum. It's a zero lag MACD. It rotates around a zero level. I look for sells when it's above the zero level and look for buys when it's below the zero level. This other indicator, the red and green dots on the price chart, the QMP filter. It's a combination of this MACD Platinum and the QQE Advanced, which is not displayed on the chart. So, moving right along. Now, I've got a new buy signal at 4 p.m. this afternoon. The green QMP dot there. MACD Platinum's below the zero level. So on the second sequence, I've taken a third hedge buy because that started with a sell. So it went sell, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge, third sell, third hedge buy. So that's that sequence, and therefore that sequence is hedged. Can't lose on that sequence at the moment. And also commenced a new sequence, sequence 3. So that was a buy. It's based on regular bullish divergence. Regular bullish divergence. I would say that's hidden bullish divergence. I'm going to have to change that. That is hidden bullish divergence. Price is going up. MACD Platinum's going down. So I'll change that. Sorry about that. That's hidden bullish divergence. So my overall break-even for all trades is 63168, which is this line just up here. It's not far at all. And I'm net plus 0.03. So I've got this buy down here. That's got a stop in place. That's sequence 1 there. Yeah, I'll change that divergence. Great. First one, mistake. GP CAD. All right, let's have a look here. It's in a sell here, sequence 2. And I didn't have much wiggle room with the MACD Platinum. It was above the zero level when I took the sell. Very next candle, nice big drop. It hit the zero level, so I just closed half of that sell on sequence 2. And that gave me a profit, $8.43, put a stop in place. 75,111, as you can see, which is this line here above the entry. And that moved my overall break-even down a fair way, which is not the worry because I'm not really concentrating on that at the moment. I'm more concentrating on what's happening on the most recent sequence. So I closed half just to be smart there. Pound yen, again another one, a sell trade. Didn't have much wiggle room. MACD Platinum's just above the zero level when I took it, and that nice push candle down definitely put me through the zero level. So I've closed half. That gave me a profit of $15.75, and that's been added to the list there, and there's a stop in place. So that one, pound USD, All right, yeah, my buy here, I've just left the chart line on the charts. This remaining buy, which is back here, it already gone up, and I'd taken half off the table, put a stop in place. It got stopped out before I commenced this. So I can just remove those lines there, the buy lines. So that's no longer, that gave me a massive profit of $2.20, which has been added to the list. Now I did look at this sell trade because I actually closed the pound yen and the pound CAD. This is in a similar situation. It's very close to zero level or just on the zero level. I'll give it one more candle. It might continue down. Got a nice little double top in here, so I'm going to give it another candle, see how we go, then probably close half. I probably should have done it then, but I didn't. New Zealand CAD. Getting a little bit busy this chart. Now, what have I done? Right, there's a new sell order here. I like this resistance level up here in New Zealand CAD, that blue trend line. When I see blue trend line, just something interests me. That's a resistance level. Price has come up a few times, bounced off it, and it's not going very well, this pair. Since coronavirus, it's been a tough pair to trade, but anyway, sell signal up here. So I took the sell on the first sequence. So it's that full sell at 0.16. So that gives me an overall break even at 84264, which is one of these yellow lines here. It would be the bottom one. It's hard to tell, they're both right on top of each other. Then sequence 2, I took a hedge sell because there's in a buy up here somewhere. I don't know why I got in so late there. I'm going to have to check where the actual entry is. But it was definitely up here somewhere. I don't think I actually drew it in there. But yeah, so that's that buy there. It was a crappy buy, I don't know, and now I've taken a hedge sell on it. And I've also taken a new sequence 3 sell trade. And even this thing's just going sideways. It's not even a great setup itself either. But I like this resistance level, so that encourages me. The MACD Platinum's not looking that good, but this resistance level is getting me excited, or as much as you can get excited on the New Zealand CAD. And so that gives me an overall break even of 84313, which is a top yellow line. They're just about on top of each other. The two numbers are only 5 pips between them. So we've got to just force down a little bit, see if we can clear some of these trades. That's the New Zealand CAD, all a little bit ugly and disgusting looking, the chart. Not as ugly as disgusting as this next one, New Zealand Swiss. Right, this thing's been going on for a while. I've had to move this sequence 1 over to the left-hand side of the chart because it was getting hard to read. So it started all the way here with the buy sequence 1. It's just gone. In the meantime, I've been chipping away and adding profit as I'm trying to work my way out of this. So what I've done, I've got a new buy signal here. It's not a great standalone signal. And I started a second sequence on that same candle also. So I've taken 2 trades in the same candle. This one was an 8th buy at 0.26 at 58907, and this the buy 2 at 58912. Overall break even is 60682. So it's the bottom yellow line there. The top yellow line is just for sequence 1. So I really haven't got that much further to go to get to the break even level. And in the meantime, as I said, I've been adding profit, but I've got a bit of a swap issue I've got to deal with, and that's probably increasing, so I wrote that. So I've really got to keep on belting this pair, and hopefully we'll get a result sooner than later. USD, Japanese yen, this thing's going sideways or just meandering. A new sell signal. It's not a valid sell signal. All it is a second hedge sell. As you can see on my notes here, second hedge sell, break even, NA as overall hedged. This thing is going flat and hugging the MACD Platinum. It's just not really breaking out any direction. And normally I like the USD Japanese yen, but it's doing it tough at the moment. But I digress. So, all right, that's just about it for the video. I'm not on TradingView, so I can tell you to do what I like. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. That shared spreadsheet, the results will be found at a link in the description of this video. Also, everyone's more than welcome to look at that. Also, if you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. And If you do desire, you're more than welcome to join either my Facebook group, which is a private Facebook group getting close to 6,000 members, and all my Telegram chat channels, which is just basically the same as the Facebook group, but some people prefer Telegram, which I fully understand. And other than that, all good. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll sort out this trading view issue sooner than later. All right, have a good day all. Cheers.